If you have another CAD product, like for instance here AutoCAD LT, and you want to use that with RouterCAD, you can do that. I created this drawing from scratch in AutoCAD LT, and I went ahead and defined the layer names and have given the part the thickness and stuff like that it needs, and I'm just verifying the different layer names. What we do in RouterCAD is we map layers, so the way you name the layers determines how the part's cut. So I've given all this part information, or create all this part information inside of AutoCAD LT. It's 2023, the latest version of AutoCAD LT. So once I've created the part, I'm just going to go over here and save the part as a DXF file. I'm just going to go right here and just say save it, choose DXF, and save the part. Then once you're done there, you can just close AutoCAD because you're done with AutoCAD. You can open up that drawing in RouterCAD, and if you just click on the part, you can see the layer name is there, the thicknesses are there. I can just go through and select the various operations and stuff like that just to verify. You can go ahead and check this data over here. And then once you've done that, I can just, there's several ways I can make G-code. One, I can just select the G-code button, select the part, if it's a one-off part, and just make the G-code right out of the main window, quick and easy. If I need to do multiple parts of that and also want to associate it with a particular material, I can just come down to the command line in RouterCAD and type in DXF export, select what I want to export out, give it any name I want to give it, and select the material I want to use for it. And I'm just going to stick it in a folder on my desktop just for the demonstration. And select save. Then I can go back to nesting, go find that text file. This is I'm going to tell I want 4 of those parts, and I'm going to nest those parts, and you need to nest them on 3/4 inch millimeter because that's what I selected. Then I can go to quick code here and display the G-code, and that's it can be that simple. It also works the other way. If you modify the drawing in RouterCAD or want to change the drawing in RouterCAD, AutoCAD will recognize those changes as well. So let's just take this part. We're going to mirror this part. I'm just going to select where I want to mirror the part from. And now I want to move the part. I want to give it a 1/2 inch spacing between the parts. And just drag it the direction I want it to go, and then type in 0.5 in the command line. So I have a 1/2 inch spacing between the parts. And if I save that, close out of RouterCAD, go back into the AutoCAD LT program. There's my changes made, and there's the additional part with my 1/2 inch spacing. Thanks for watching the video.